Hobbies and pastime. What is a hobby or a pastime? A hobby or a pastime is what you like to do in your free time. How to ask about someone's hobby. What do you like doing when you're free? What sort of hobbies do you have? What do you get up to in your free time? What's your favorite hobby? Do you have any hobbies? Talking about your hobbies. In my free time, I go to the public library and read almost everything I can. Books, magazines, newspapers. When I have some spare time, I love to eat out. Spare time means free time. When I get the time, I enjoy gardening and cooking. I relax by watching TV and listening to music. My hobbies are bird watching and playing sport. I'm interested in playing video games and surfing the internet. I'm keen on painting. I'm into collecting stuff like stamps or cards. I enjoy playing musical instruments like the guitar or the piano. You can give more information about your hobbies and interests. I like arts and crafts. I'm a creative person and like doing things with my hands. I'm an outgoing person and like socializing and hanging out with friends. I enjoy being physically active and spend a lot of time playing sports and team games. My favorite pastime is gardening. I spend all weekend outside with my flowers. I love seeing them change. They're these little seeds at first, and then one day they're big, beautiful flowers. I work in an office, so I sit in front of a boring computer screen all day. I like being outdoors. I go hiking every weekend. I keep fit and healthy this way. The best thing is that I can make some really great friends. I'm retired now and I have a lot of free time. I spend almost all my free time outdoors playing golf. I guess what I love best is looking at the beautiful blue sky. Retired is someone who stopped working because of their age. I like to do things that develop my mind or things that teach me about other countries and places. What I really love is history. To me, a good history book is a lot more exciting than a fancy dinner party. Develop my mind means improve my mental capacity or keep my brain healthy. A fancy party is a special gathering with friends or family where everyone dress up in nice clothes and have a classy meal together. I really enjoy going to the gym because it keeps me fit, it gets me out of the house, it helps me meet lots of new people, It gives me something interesting to do with my time. It's not very expensive and anyone can do it. My hobbies are all creative. I've always enjoyed painting and drawing. Because my job is technical, it's good to spend time doing something completely different. I enjoy spending time making things like clothes. Adjectives you can use to describe your hobbies. Creative, fascinating, practical, cheap, enjoyable, relaxing, different, unusual. Your turn to talk. What was your hobby as a child? What do you like to do in your free time now? Why? Well done! I will see you in the next lesson. Bye!